YouTube channel. It's Daisy Dadas. Now we're going to Samala Beach. Here in South Batangas. Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Daisy Dadas. Now we're going to Samala Beach. Here in South Batangas. So, this is my best friend and my boyfriend. Yes, with look, there's a beehive chart. Look, the place here is organized, and also we have a tourist police station there. There's a park there. There's so many monkeys around there. There's so many monkeys. Oh. Yeah, okay, this is Samala. Yeah. Yeah, that is the song club.
Go and take photo.
Yeah, I'm going to take a photo. Yes, I need to.
I think we'll go down.
Maybe later because it's so hot. There's many street people.
Kind of place to parking.
Wow, there's a horse there.
Park na. Go down ahead.
Ahead.
Songkla Beach.
Yes. It's near from the toilet. Maybe. Or this one. That one. Okay. Look guys, it's yummy. Samila mila waka waka Wow. Samila mila
Ganda dito pagkape.
Look. This is Samila Beach. Yes, the native beach. I'll try something. I'm going to park here. Right. How about here? Or maybe? Okay. Guys, I love that. There's so many bags there, the market there. There's a market there. Oh, there's some manifest. Wow. I'm gonna rest here. But for now, we're gonna take rest here. Okay. How's the day? He's ready for swimming later. Yeah. Yeah, it's so nice to be happy.
Yun tayo.
Yes, there's... There. Okay, we're gonna evacuate. Samila, mila. Yeah. Okay, later we're going there. The market. Yes. Mountain. Later. See ya later. Wait for a while.